Hey Glenn, my name is Erin. You had spoken with my husband Rob Duff on the phone earlier today. We're from Duff Digital Marketing, a marketing company here in Greensboro, and we were doing some research in the area and we came across your website. So I figured I would shoot you guys this quick video and give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. I'm sure that you guys are busy and I certainly do not want to waste your time, so I will keep this nice and short. But if by the end of this video you can tell that we have some tricks up our sleeve that can help grow your business online and that's something that you're interested in doing, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries at all. Please take these tips that I've given you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind and if you have some time, if you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful to you or not. That would be greatly appreciated. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get into it. The 3 things that I do want to cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing up is going to be content, and that is basically anything that you can see here on your website. That also includes the pictures, what's behind the pictures. That can also be considered content. These are things that the search engine can read and get an idea of what services that you offer are in the area that you're targeting, and that will help to position you in the search. So having unique authoritative content and enough of it, that way you can add in the keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching Google for to locate your services, is super important. So it does look like a very nice website. It looks like you guys do have a good amount of content. You can certainly always add more content. To Google, content is king. And again, it just really provides that opportunity to add in those keywords and key phrases that are going to be searched for when people are trying to locate your services. So good job with the website. That's really all that I have for you there. So we'll go ahead and move on. The second tip that I have for you is citations. So when we look at a Google search here for garage door repair Greensboro, you'll see that this section right here, this is what we call the map pack. And that has a lot to do with the citation. So a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number, and it's listed in various directories throughout the web. So you may be asking yourself, what is a directory and how the heck do I get myself listed in one of those? To put it simply, it's basically things like Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, and any other places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within there. That would be considered a directory. So in order to rank high on the maps here, you would need to make sure that you're looking at your competition's directory listings and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and then going out and of course getting yourself listed there as well. You do not just want to stop there though. Whatever your competition has, you want to get what they have and then you want to add to that. That way you're completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank in the search here. So now that we have covered the content and the citations, the last thing that I wanted to go over is going to be backlinks. So backlinks has a lot to do with this section under the maps down here. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there's basically a website out there that has a link back to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, which is of course potentially bringing you all traffic to your business. But all backlinks are not created equal. So for example, say that you all did some business with somebody who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided that they're going to send a link from their website to you all's website, but unfortunately that link of course is going to be all about ice cream. So it's really not going to do much good for you all at all. And we want links from other garage door repair websites that actually send a link back saying, yes, they are a garage door repair company. That's going to be not only just a lot more powerful because it's unique, but it's also going to be relevant to your industry, which is going to be a must. So looking at one of the tools that I have here, this is called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it's a company that buys data from Google. So it gives me an idea of what's working well for you all and what's working well for your competition also. And so with this, I can see that you guys currently have 12 referring domains, which is giving you 792 backlinks, which is getting found for 151 keywords. And out of those keywords, you're getting about 14 people to your website per month. And like I said, this is just a tool. It's not 100% accurate. If you want the most accurate information, you would get that straight from Google Analytics. But I did also pull up the keywords. I'm just going to click this position button so it'll show us everything in order. So you all, looks like, are in the 5th position for garage door repair in High Point. And then usually there's about 10 listings on each page of Google. So it looks like first page here, and then we're going to the second page of Google down here for all of these other keywords. And it looks like there are multiple locations: Winston-Salem, Lexington, specialty door service. That's a good one. And here is when this tool Ahrefs last updated. So your positioning may not be exactly the same as it is right at this moment, but again, it just gives me a good idea of where you're at. So if I look at one of your competitors, this was the first competitor listed in that organic section, the section under the maps, Precision Garage Door of NC. It looks like they have 232 referring domains, getting them found for about 4,000 backlinks. Out of those backlinks, they're getting 739 keywords and roughly about 311 people to their site each month. I also did pull up the keywords that they have here. And again, I'm just going to click this position button so we can see everything kind of in order. So it looks like they are in position 1. They're on the first page for Garage Door Repair Greensboro, NC. Their business name, Garage Door Repair Greensboro, Garage Doors Greensboro. So they have some really good keywords here. And it looks like they're really ranking high too. Position 1, 2, 3, 4. And it looks like they have a good variation of everything. But basically, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure you're being found in a lot of the same places that they're being found. And just like citations, you don't want to stop there. In order to really and truly beat them out, you want to make sure that you're just adding more. You're doing whatever your competition is, and then you're going above that. So that's really pretty much it. That's all I have for you today. I do hope that this video has been educational for you. If you'd like to know more about how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, like I said at the beginning, no worries at all. Please take these free tips that I've given you today. And like I said as well, if you wouldn't mind just giving me some feedback on this video and letting me know how I did, it would greatly be appreciated. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Look forward to speaking to you again. Bye-bye.